Freya, look around and tell me what you see.
Yeah, so would I. Like, why wouldn't you?
Hey!
They're not taking any notice of me. And I'm getting average grades. Do you know what that means?
You need to study harder?
You need to jazz up your wardrobe? I'm not standing out in any way. No one thinks of me as a princess anymore. I'm living my dream.
Bow? Patsy. Mew. Come with me. I demand to talk about Stella's disgraceful education.
Royal Princess has so many problems. No reaction to Royal Princess's new style. Royal Princess makes common spelling mistakes. One ruler to rule them all?
I don't see the problem. Maths, chemistry, English and geography are all excellent subjects. If you're a peasant subsisting in a pus-infested gutter...
Grandmother!
Queen Mother, I thank you, while in earshot of commoners. My granddaughter is a princess. She must be educated in a manner that befits her station. I shall send you a list of royal subjects to be timetabled into her schedule.
Your Majesty, this is an underfunded public school. We have one-ply toilet roll in the bathrooms. We cannot afford to...
You will do as you are told. And so will you. Insolent door. Bow down before me.
Oh. Fencing, polo, formal dance, and deportment? What even is that?
Basically, the end of me blending in.